Vietnam performed well in 2025 in trade as evidenced by statistics. But resilience is also about built-in factories, warehouses and shipping contracts. The following story shows how businesses navigated freight shocks, tariff risks and supply chain disruptions in real time.
This company exports rice to markets across Asia, Africa, Europe, and the Middle East, primarily by sea freight. When instability erupted in the Middle East, ocean freight rates to the region, as well as to Africa and the EU, rose by 30 to 40%. Thanks to its proactive control over supply sources, the company was able to respond to these changing demands.
Amid such market and geopolitical volatility, our company has proactively rolled out response measures, optimizing our supply chain and improving factory operating efficiency. In addition, we have increased the share of sales under delivery at port terms to share transportation risks with our partners.
In other words, resilience at the enterprise level meant shifting risk allocation, tightening supply control, and improving cost efficiency. But enterprise agility alone does not explain the scale of export growth in 2025. Technology-intensive manufacturing remained the core engine of export expansion. Computers, electronic products, and components accounted for 22.6% of total export turnover, becoming Vietnam's largest export category. Behind the surge was not just global demand, but deliberate infrastructure expansion.
Vietnamese authorities have been proactive and effective in handling administrative procedures and supporting businesses. A clear example is the preferential mechanisms for priority enterprises in customs clearance.
Vietnam's export turnover reached a record high in 2025, reflecting the growing production capacity and improved ability of Vietnamese enterprises to meet high international standards.
This strong growth reflects the effectiveness of market diversification strategies, efforts to strengthen domestic production capacity, and the coordinated implementation of solutions to support enterprises in enhancing export capabilities. At the same time, it confirms that Vietnam is gradually integrating more deeply into global value chains.
As Vietnamese businesses increasingly master technology, better comply with international standards, and expand exports, especially to demanding markets, exports are no longer merely a short-term growth driver, but are steadily becoming a core foundation of Vietnam's long-term competitiveness.